Well, peeps, we're going to go out on the boat. Watch the dog. It's an Intex too. Seahawk. So I need an engine, which I'm going in about an hour. There's Poppy the dog. Chat Pops. So here's what I've built. Took me about 10 minutes. So all I've done is drilled an hole through the end of the prop, which is off a home fan. Put a bolt through it. Nut on one side, nut on the other. Bar, bit of tape. Now I've cut a piece of tube off my missus's washing line, so she's not going to be happy. But it's all about having fun. That fits over the top like that, so that can rest on the boat so it don't pop, and then that can spin. And what I'm going to use for the motor is DeWalt drill. Here's Robbie, my son. He's going to demonstrate how it works. Fire away, dude. Nice and straight. That'll do the job, won't it, dude?